for today's video, we'll unbox my stabilizer that my husband gave it to me. So it's his birthday, belated birthday gift. So now let's start. So here I have Vimble 2 3-axis stabilized handheld gimbal for smartphones. So this is it. So here we bought this one for 800 kroner in Algiganten here in Denmark. So let's start. Open. I'm excited. It's my first Gimbal. Ta-da! Here. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. OMG, I like it. See? Look, it's so smooth, this one. I read it in the reviews. This one, it's good for selfies and taking smooth video on this one. So let's try it one day. Smells good. So that's it. We already done unboxing my first ever stabilizer phone. Ta-da! So thank you for watching and see you for the next video.